Good evening and thank you for staying with us. We take a look at the business news of the day. My name is Weri Mujenga. The government should fast-track implementation of the national automotive policy to fuel growth in the local assembly. This is according to Isuzu East Africa Managing Director Rita Kavashe, who made the remarks during the launch of the Cooperative Bank asset financing scheme for schools and businesses.
The national automotive policy, which had been pending since 2018, was approved by the then Ministry of Industrialization in 2022, opening business opportunities for the local automotive industry by gradually reducing and eventually eliminating the importation of used vehicles. However, the implementation of the policy has faced delays, with Isuzu East Africa Managing Director Rita Kavashe, who chairs the Kenya Motor Industry Association, calling for implementation of the policy.
But just the fact that there is an auto policy, already new investors who are waiting for stability in the auto sectors have begun to show up themselves. So yes, we have to stay on course if we are truly going to grow this important enabler of our economy, that is the auto industry.
Kavashe was speaking during the launch of an asset financing scheme for schools and businesses by Isuzu East Africa, Cooperative Bank and CIC Insurance.
Our value proposition through this partnership, we will offer financing tenor extension to 6 years, that is 72 months, to give them much needed relief as a result of the recently escalated prices due to increased cost of importation.
The tough economic times have resulted in schools and businesses facing challenges in raising capital to fund capital projects.
Tumesema tusaidie mwananchi wakati hii kuna hukumu kubwa ya kifedha, na kwa hivyo tunaona ni vizuri tuendelee namna hiyo. Asante.
Frederick Moki for Prime Edition.